pumper utilizes an electronic pressure governor installed on the main operator's panel to control the speed of the chassis engine, which in turn controls the pressure of the fire pump. There are two transducers used in this governor system to monitor the pressure in both the discharge side and suction side of the pump. Sometimes these transducers stop working and need replacement. If you see an error code such as E5, E6, F5, or F6 on the governor display, or if the display pressure is not changing or not displaying the correct pressure, then you may need to replace a transducer. E5 and F5 are related to the discharge side transducer. E6 and F6 are related to the suction side transducer. The discharge side transducer is often located just to the left of the center of the pump. You can access it through the driver's side hinged access panel. The first step is to remove the 3-wire connector from the top of the transducer. There is a plastic retainer that needs to be lifted slightly before removing the wiring connector. Once the wiring is removed, you can then remove the transducer and replace it with a new one. A 7/8" wrench is often the tool of choice to loosen and remove this transducer. This process should only take about 5 minutes. Some technicians prefer to drain the water from the pump to keep from getting the floor wet, but some like to leave water in the pump with the tank to pump open so the water in the pump pushes any thread tape or debris out of the open fitting when the transducer is removed. Be sure to re-engage the locking clip on the wiring when plugging in the new transducer. The suction side transducer is often located behind the main pump panel on the back side of the suction pipe. Again, be sure to unplug the wiring. Then, using a 7/8" deep well socket, you can easily remove and replace this transducer. Plug the wiring back in to complete the job. The suction transducer is Darley part number 2603304. The discharge transducer is 2603305. Both are stocked at Darley. Contact Darley Customer Service to place an order. Be sure to operate the pump to ensure proper operation of the transducers and that there are no leaks prior to putting your tactical pumper back into service.